When I majored in accounting, I didn't really know what I wanted to do at first. There's really no set place where you have to go or kind of set career path, and it opens the direction of where you can go. Even today, it's not uncommon for like our colleagues as well to kind of change groups within the firm. And I think that's just to say that you're not stuck in one place. With accounting, you can kind of use it, find where you specialize or find a place that you like to, really excel in and kind of take that direction and go higher from there.
My accounting background has opened me to many different industries. For example, manufacturing, banking. Essentially, you can work in any industry that is out there within accounting.
I graduated from Montclair State with a dual degree in accounting and finance. For me, having that deep accounting expertise and accounting knowledge from the get-go has allowed me to really have a seat at the table and a voice at the table in some pretty important conversations.
For someone who's looking to major in accounting, my advice would be to embrace the versatility and vast experience that the field offers. It provides a strong foundation that can allow you to go into different career paths, from traditional roles such as auditing and tax to something more specific like as forensic accounting, business valuation advisory, not just debits and credits. It's a lot more than that.